39 people are dead and more than 150 injured after two high-speed trains collided in Spain. One train was traveling from Malaga to Madrid when it derailed and crossed over the adjacent track, hitting the other train. Rescue crews have been working round the clock. The Spanish Transportation Ministry says the death count could still rise. ABC foreign correspondent Tom Sufi-Burridge is near the scene.
Yeah, we've just been hearing from Spain's Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, Diane, declaring 3 days of national mourning. You can see Spain's civil guard blocking, restricting access to that road, which leads up several miles down the road to the crash site itself. And the sense we're getting from Spanish officials is still that there is work ongoing to recover from the wreckage, basically, of those two trains. It's a remote site. The video and the images kind of indicate that. And, you know, as we've been hearing from Spanish officials, there is nothing right now to indicate what caused the first high-speed train to derail, some of its carriages to come off the tracks, move across onto the other side of the tracks, and then, of course, that high-speed train travelling the opposite direction, south, down towards the city of Huelva, to collide headlong into those rail cars of that initial train which derailed. You know, Spain's transport minister underlining that this was a straight stretch of track, saying that the train which initially derailed was a relatively new train, and the stretch of track itself had undergone serious renovation work, which finished just 8 months ago. And also the train had passed its last inspection just 4 days ago. So an appeal also from Spain's Prime Minister that people should not listen to disinformation, that they should not listen to speculation. That investigation in the earlier stages. At the moment, I think the focus is still on that recovery operation. We've seen heavy machinery heading up that road just minutes ago. And of course, a lot of focus on the victims. We've seen relatives of families, we think, coming into this area. They've been now giving DNA samples, a very grim task for them, a desperate situation. And of course, the injured. More than 40 people still in hospital out of the 150 plus injured in this tragedy, and more than 20 of the injured said to be in a critical condition. Diane?
Tom Sufi-Burridge, thank you.